Panel Builder SE has the unique ability to look up a manufacturer's connector specifications. To do so, select the connector and right-click. From the drop-down box, select Product Information. When the box opens up, you'll notice that the manufacturer's spec sheet link is at the bottom of the pop-up. By clicking on that link, it will redirect the system to the manufacturer's specification sheet. From this location, you can either print the specification sheet out or save it if you're submitting a project design and it requires manufacturer connector specifications.